What's up, hard enduro fans and two-stroke junkies? When it comes to conquering the toughest terrain on the planet, a select few bikes rise to the top. And year after year, the French powerhouse, Sherco, is right there in the mix. Today, we're getting a first look at their ultimate enduro weapon, the new 2026 Sherco two-stroke lineup. We're talking the SE125, SE250, and the legendary SE300. Is this the machine to take your riding to the next level? Let's break it down. Let's start with the heart of these beasts, the engines. While the 250 and 300 models carry forward their highly praised power plants, the baby of the family, the SE125, has some notable updates. All three models feature a two-stroke single-cylinder engine with an electronically controlled exhaust valve, which gives you that perfect blend of low-end torque for technical sections and a crisp, powerful top end for blasting through trails. The 250 and 300 models are fed by the proven Kihin PWK36 carburetor, a favorite among enduro riders for its simplicity and tunability. For 2026, the 125 SE gets an updated exhaust valve system and a new starter lever for quicker starts and greater durability, which is a huge bonus in a race scenario. Visually, the 2026 bikes get a fresh look. The iconic Sherco blue plastics are back, but with a new, aggressive graphics kit that gives the bikes a clean, race-ready aesthetic. While some might say the changes are mainly cosmetic on the 250 and 300, in the world of enduro, sometimes it's about refining an already winning package. The bikes look sharp, purposeful, and ready to get dirty. But what truly makes a Sherco an ultimate enduro weapon is the chassis and suspension. These bikes are built on a semi-perimeter chrome molybdenum steel frame that provides the perfect balance of rigidity and flex. They are known for their planted feel and razor-sharp handling in tight, technical terrain. For 2026, the SE125 gets an optimized chassis for an improved front-end feel. And on all models, you've got top-tier components. Up front, a 48mm closed cartridge KYB fork with a massive 300mm of travel. Out back, a fully adjustable KYB 50 shock absorber with 330mm of travel. This is the stuff of factory race bikes, giving you confidence to tackle anything from rocky creek beds to high-speed route sections. Stopping power is just as crucial as getting up to speed. That's why Sherco equips the entire lineup with Brembo hydraulic brakes. We're talking a 260mm front disc and a 220mm rear disc for incredible feel and stopping power, even in the worst conditions. The 125 SE also gets a new Galfer rear brake disc for better braking and reduced weight. Other premium touches include Excel rims wrapped in Michelin Enduro medium tires, a hydraulic clutch for effortless pull, and new Oxia lock-on grips for better comfort and control. This bike is truly race-ready out of the crate. So, if you're a two-stroke enthusiast, the 2026 Sherco lineup is a serious contender for your next off-road machine. While the 250 and 300 models carry forward a proven platform with fresh aesthetics, the SE125 gets some key updates that make it even more compelling. The combination of a torquey two-stroke engine, a top-shelf KYB suspension package, and premium components puts these bikes right at the top of the enduro food chain. They are purpose-built to ride, race, and win. What do you think of the new 2026 Sherco lineup? Are you a 125, 250, or 300 rider? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more off-road reviews, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next adventure. See you on the trails.